In the D3D options of the D3D++ toolbar, you can set the import and export parameters. For the import, it is possible to select which features are imported. For example, the import of mirrored objects can be deactivated. It is also possible to pre-configure the import for the individual measuring device. For example, the comparison point radius can be set. The BMW CSV import allows you to predefine the cross-section parameters. For example, the size of the cross-section can be set in width and height, as well as the extraction parameters can be predefined. The Volkswagen CSV import allows you to set the extraction parameters of circles, slots, rectangles and calipers. For the export, you can preset whether all objects of the inspector project are exported, only the selected objects, or all objects that were also imported with D3D++. In addition, the default directory, as well as file names, can be pre-configured. For this we can use the D3D++ expression. With these it is possible to automatically enter project or part properties into the export file. The application will be shown at the end of this video. The export formats are pre-configured and can be adapted to individual applications. For example, it is possible to add a user. The D3D++ expressions can also be used. The structure of each format corresponds to the header structure in the export. This makes it easy to create your own export format using a template. We'll take a look at the DMIS template in detail, as it offers the most extensive possibilities. First of all, it is possible to export either only the nominal values, the measured values, or both values in the DMIS file. The format always includes a postfix that indicates the direction of measurement or type of inspection. In addition, the encoding format can also be set. The header file itself can be created in 3 ways. On the one hand, there is the possibility of manual input via an input mask. The second option is to use a header template. The third variant is extended, in which templates can be created and automatically filled in via the D3D++ expressions. In extended mode, templates can be saved and loaded again as a template. The template consists of several lines that can be created, deleted and edited. By using the right button, input fields can be created. These can be filled in manually before exporting. If the field required is marked, these fields must be filled in before exporting. Adding an expression will automatically add project parts or system properties for export. The expression is the combination of the raw label and the D3D++ function, which automatically inserts the property. By selecting the piece property and double-clicking it, it will be written after the raw name. To automatically export the file at the end of the measurement, the D3D++ sequence function can be used. To do this, first a sequence must be created. By clicking on the D3D++ function and selecting the format and memory path, the automatic export is added to the measurement sequence. This can also be used for projects other than sequence macro.